we narrowed down right here on my tire a little hole where it looks like it went in and punctured the tire. Now, if that wasn't enough, you know, I could have just patched that. I'm an overachiever, so I actually knocked this thing clear through my rim. And so now I get to get a new rim for Christmas. Yay! Okay, so I came here with the rim that we got at the salvage yard, and they went to go put it on, and guess what? It's bent. So, hey, I get to buy another rim. So, anyway, he said it wasn't bent very badly, and he was still able to balance the tire well enough that it should be okay temporarily. So I just have to go back to the salvage yard and trade this one out for another one, and get it put on here, and we should be good to go. So hopefully in a few days we'll have this taken care of. Okay, second trip to the tire place with the second rim. So hopefully we get it taken care of.
And that's basically the same thing, and they got the same number as the other ones, so it came off the same car.
Yeah. Okay, here's rim number 3. So we took the second rim back to the salvage yard. We told them these are both bent, we just want our money back. And we found another salvage yard about an hour away that has some in stock, and they were actually a little bit cheaper. And so Bobby left after work and just went straight there and got there just before they were closing, and was able to pick up this rim. It looks good to the naked eye, but I guess we'll see when we get to the tire store. Okay, so third time was a charm. Woohoo! This one looked great, and they were able to get it on there, and everything is good to go. So yay, it only took me like 3 weeks to get my tire repaired. Awesome. So we're here at the hardware store getting some different pieces of stuff we can put together for Miss Maggie to climb on. So she'll quit climbing on our furniture, hopefully.
Yes. She's a definite climber.
And I saw this one that my friend had at her house for her cats, and I thought we could build that pretty easily. So we're here looking at stuff for that. Okay, oh, here's some L brackets. Oh, those are big enough. Probably need something a little bigger. Oh, there's some big ones down there. Or, like I said, $5 a piece. Yikes. Okay, so we were just getting ready for bed, and suddenly we noticed Maggie was missing. You didn't find her? She has just vanished. We've looked all over the motorhome, so we're worried that she sneaked out one time when we went outside or something, so we have no idea where she is. Well, she likes food, so let's see if she'll come to this. Maggie! Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Maggie! Come on, baby. Come on, baby girl. You crazy girl, you can't go running off like that. You gotta stay home where you're safe. The prodigal returneth. Maggie, hey, did you run away from home for a little bit tonight? Huh? So apparently somebody has learned to sneak out while we're taking the dog out. She must have snuck out between my legs or something, because neither one of us remember her getting out of this place. And she was halfway across the ranch when she came running across here. Little stinker. Gonna get yourself eaten by coyotes.
It won't take long.
Today at work, I found out that there is a fire burning in Bastrop, and that's kind of scary in and of itself. But if you know the history of Bastrop, you know that that's even scarier for the people that live here. About 10 years ago, there was a large wildfire here that was the largest in Texas history and the third largest in U.S. history. And it happened right here in Bastrop. It started right near the state park, and they had had a really rough drought that summer, and so everything was very dry. And they had also had one of the hottest summers on record, so it was just perfect conditions, and it was windy, and so it started a fire that just burned out of control. It was huge, and I think it was something like 1,500 homes were lost, and just tons of people were displaced, and just a horrible, horrible experience. The fire burned for 55 days, so it was pretty traumatic for the people that live here. So I guess what happened is they started a prescribed fire. This one was supposed to burn about 150 acres, and it got out of control. The wind blew it kind of out of the fire boundaries. And last time I checked, it was over 600 acres. And it's crossed the highway. A bunch of people have been evacuated from their homes, and it's pretty scary. And before I even got home, I could see this plume of smoke. I snapped this quick picture while I was at an intersection on the way home, and this picture was taken about 10 miles away from the fire, so that kind of gives you an indication of how big it was. The highway that we use to get into Bastrop is closed down. We had to run some errands this evening and ended up having to go a very long roundabout way into town. It took us about an hour, where normally we can get there in 10 or 15 minutes. So anyway, we could see the fire from that other route, and you could kind of see the sky glowing kind of all over that area. I don't think that the video, you can see it as well as we saw it in person. It was pretty scary, and you can definitely smell smoke and see haze and ash in the air all the way to where we live, and all the way through Bastrop. So anyway, I think the fire is only about 10% contained at this time. We're hoping they'll be able to get to it overnight. Tomorrow we're expecting a huge drop in temperature and maybe a little bit of precipitation, so hopefully that will help with the fire efforts. But anyway, we'll definitely be praying for all the people that live in that area and have been evacuated, and hope that everything comes out okay for everyone. We got some pieces, we've got them measured, and now we're trying to figure out how to go about cutting these without a work table. We used to have a picnic table out here, and that went away a while back, and so now we have the fun of figuring it out. I guess that'll probably work, and I'll get on it and hold it. Okay, we're going to cut this little piece of wood in half, and that's going to be the little steps going up. Okay, Maggie, we have been out shopping and we bought all kinds of stuff to finish your cat tree. And we even got a bed to go on the very top. Do you like it, Toby? Do you approve of it? So, hopefully we will have this done tonight. That would be so awesome.
Yeah, she does.
Putting together the cat tree.
We're making by scratch.
And down below is the reason that we're making the cat tree, because she won't leave anything alone. See, she just causing trouble. We put that there for a reason, Maggie, and it wasn't so you could play with it. What do you think of that, Maggie? Is he doing it right? She sure is supervising you, isn't she? She's like, here, I'll help. I'll help you. Maggie! Did he do a good job on it? Huh?
See if you can.
Putting on the brackets for the bottom. This is going to be the base of it.
Looking pretty good. I think we're doing a pretty good job of it.
What do you think of your throne up there high above your whole kingdom? She's like, yep, I think it's good. We'll get you like a bed up there and some carpet, wrap the whole thing with rope, and you'll be good to go. Yay! Well, we thought she might like the burlap, and as it turns out, she likes it so well, she's not even letting me cut it and get it put on here yet. She's just claiming it as her own. So yeah, I think the burlap was a good choice. You like it, Maggie? Huh? Maggie? She's like, I'm busy playing with my burlap. Leave me alone.
good to me. The final approval will be Maggie.
She already likes it. She's already trying to play with it. All right.
Pretty good.
Yeah, we got the base done. It's just 2 layers of burlap across there. And then right here where the seam is, we're going to put a little scratching pad. So that'll help hold that in place. So this is Bobby wrapping the rope around. Oh, hold on. We're still doing this. Maggie's helping, of course. Look how awesome this is looking. Bobby is a really great rope winder, and the kids are having fun playing, getting good and tired right before bedtime, so that's good. What do you think, Maggie? You like it? I think she likes it. Almost up to the top. That whole thing. It's taken 3 packages of rope so far. We're hoping it makes it to the top.
Pretty not going close.
What do you think of it, Maggie? She just likes the burlap. Yeah, she's already trying it out. Climbing to the top. Works like a charm. Now we're putting eyes on the underside of the little branches that come out so that we can hang toys. Here it is, mess and all, but it looks really good. We're really excited about it. The cat tree is a hit. We've got a bed on the top. We've got all the toys hanging from the steps, or the branches, whatever you call them. We've got our scratching pad at the bottom. We'll probably get another one for the other side. And she's having fun climbing all over it and playing with her new toys. And there's the princess on her throne. Don't fall out the back. You like it? I think she likes it. Like our video, hit subscribe and the bell next to it, and then you'll get to see a lot more. Easy peasy.